Bill Schultz. Looks like he threw a party out here in my stall. Oh, goodness, the smell is terrible. Oh, God, this stinks. What is that on the ground? Ooh. Oh. Oh. Oh, oh my goodness. Oh, Lord, the smell in here. Oh, what is that on the ground he left? Oh, man. Oh, Schultz, what are you doing? Oh, God. Ooh. He's disgusting. Oh, look at this mess. Ooh, I got a wheelbarrow full of Schultz's junk. Oh, God. Wait a minute. What? Whoa. Oh, what's that smell? Oh, God. Oh, he threw up in my feed bucket. Oh, God. What is that? What is that smell? Wait a minute. Oh, Schultz, get out of my stall. Oh, Schultz, get out of my stall. Oh, you're a mess. Oh, God. Oh, it stinks. Oh, God. Oh, goodness. Oh, God, Phil, get out here and get Schultz. Oh, look at him. He's just disgusting. You don't have any clothes on. He got, oh.